Hi, I'm attorney Eric Lewis with Lewis Legal Services in Indianapolis. Back in August, the United States trustee announced that all 341 meeting of creditors will now be held on Zoom, effective October 2nd, 2023, for the Indianapolis division. In September, they announced the same for bankruptcy cases filed in the South Bend division, but so far, no other announcements for the other divisions of the Northern District of Indiana, but I'm sure that this is coming soon. So what does this mean? Well, if you have filed bankruptcy at any time before the pandemic, you'd recall that the mandatory meeting that you have to attend, called the First Meeting of Creditors, or sometimes simply referred to as a 341 meeting, was held at the courthouse. And you would have to drive to the courthouse, find parking, go through TSA-like security, and then you would go sit in a small room with a bunch of other people and wait for your case to be called. So ever since the pandemic, 341 meetings have not been held in person. Some have been held over the telephone for Chapter 7 cases and over Zoom for Chapter 13 cases. And if you've never heard of Zoom, Zoom is an online communications platform that allows users to communicate with video and audio. It requires a stable internet connection. So if you don't have access to reliable internet, you'll have to go somewhere that does. From my understanding, if you're trying to do a Zoom meeting on a phone or tablet, you will have to download and install the Zoom app. The United States trustee has posted detailed instructions, which I will link in the comment section below. In terms of some formality, I think one thing that needs to be stressed is that you treat your Zoom hearing the same as going to court. Be mindful of how you're dressed, be in a quiet and distraction-free room or area, and don't try to multitask. It's a court proceeding. It's important, and you need to give it your full attention. Sitting in a car on your phone for the meeting, that's perfectly fine. Driving your car while you're on the meeting is not. And the United States trustee has also posted some best practices for conducting these meetings on Zoom, which I've also linked below in the comments. So please take time to read through them so you know exactly what to expect. And that's it for today. I hope this helps you as you prepare for your court hearing. And as always, thank you for watching.